Welcome back to Simply Fatima. Like always, I am excited to do this video for you guys because we are talking about the Louis Vuitton favorite handbag. I am super excited to talk about this handbag, and you will see why in a few minutes. But you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? So just go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can join this awesome positive family here on YouTube. Also, give this video a thumbs up and also hit that bell's notification so that you will never miss an upload from me. Also, while you're at it, go follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury and just show your girl some love. I love when you guys DM me, and I love when you guys comment on my photos because that gives me another way of connecting with you all, and I just love connecting with each and every one of you guys because you guys have a special place in my heart, and I am really thankful for you guys. On that note of saying how thankful I am for you guys, without you all, I wouldn't be where I am today here on YouTube and building such a positive platform. And so with that being said, I am doing a giveaway. So don't forget about the giveaway that I'm doing. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. So please make sure to read the description box. But I can show you what the prizes are. So what I am giving away is the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. It is brand new. You see the price tag is still on it. So I am giving away the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. This is the size mini. I have a video on this bag. I love this bag so much, and I think that one of you guys will love it as well. And because I love you guys so much, I am also giving away a pair of Gucci sunglasses. Yep. This is an authentic pair of Gucci sunglasses. The authenticity card is down here at the bottom. I'll show you. The authenticity card is in this envelope right here. Here's all of the paperwork that proves that these are authentic Gucci sunglasses. So yes, these Gucci sunglasses can be somebody's as well. And the people have spoken. I had asked you guys if you think that I should give one person both items, or if I should give one item to somebody else and the other item to another. And you guys have spoken, and you guys have said, because of the continual love, growth, and support from each and every one of you guys, to give my thanks and gratitude, I should give one person the handbag and another person the Gucci sunglasses. So all you have to do to enter into this giveaway is just be subscribed to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also comment your favorite place to vacation, and also leave your social media handle or email. And if you want to have a double entry into this giveaway, also make sure to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. Also be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Also like this video or any of the videos that I've talked about the giveaway, and also comment your favorite place to travel and your social media handle or email so that I have a way to contact you. So yeah, so good luck to everybody in this giveaway. The faster I get to 1,000 subscribers, the faster I can send these gifts off, because these items are ready to go to their new home. They're tired of being here with me. They're like, honey, we're ready to go to our new home. Like, we know this place is temporary. We're ready to get to our permanent homes so that we can be loved on and cherished forever, hopefully. So yeah, so without further ado and without me continuing to ramble, let's get right into this video. So like in the intro, I told you guys that we are going to be talking about this little cutie right here, which is literally one of my favorite handbags that I have in my collection, hands down. If my house was on fire, there's about 5 handbags that I would save, and this is one of the 5 handbags that I would save if my house ever caught on fire. Like, I absolutely love this bag. So I bought this bag back in 2017. Was it 2017? It was either 2017. No, I bought this bag in 2018, and that is when I learned that this bag was going to be discontinued. And I learned that this bag was going to be discontinued because I went to the first Louis Vuitton boutique in my city in Atlanta at Lenox Mall. And when I went in there to try to find the bag, they were like, oh, we haven't had this bag in a while, and we don't know when we're gonna get this bag ever again, because Louis Vuitton was thinking about discontinuing the handbag. And I was like, oh, that is a bummer. And so luckily for me, there's another Louis Vuitton boutique right across the street at Phipps Plaza. So I went and checked there, and when I went in there, it was like getting close to closing. The essays were really nice about it, and they were just like, I don't know, we haven't seen the favorite in a while. Basically telling me the same thing that the Louis Vuitton at Lenox told me. It was like, hey, we haven't seen the bag in a while. We heard that Louis Vuitton was discontinuing it, but at Saks they were just like, let me double check in the back for you and we'll see. And I specifically wanted the favorite and Damier Ebene in the PM size. Like, I had my mindset on it. I knew that's what I wanted. So the essay at the Louis Vuitton at Saks was like, let me just check in the back. So he checks in the back and he comes out with this handbag. I kid you not, quote unquote, he literally said that he was, before I walked into the boutique, that he was on the phone with somebody who was looking for this specific bag and this specific canvas and this specific size, and literally told the lady that they did not have this bag in stock and they did not know when they were going to get the bag in stock. And because the lady was like, hey, if you have this bag, I'm willing to come up there and get it and purchase it. And like, he was just like, I'm sorry lady, like, we don't have this bag. Try again at some other point when they send out their last shipment of this product. And so little old me, not knowing, it was just divine timing. It was fate. Like, this bag was specifically supposed to have been mine. So he walks out and he was like, is this the bag that you want? And I was like, yes, this is the handbag that I want. And he was just like, yeah, I was just telling the lady on the phone that we didn't have it, and look, I guess this bag was supposed to have been for you because here it is, and do you want it? And I was like, yes, let's go ahead and bag it up, and I have this handbag. I don't know how much the bag would retail if it was still on the market. I'm pretty sure it would have been affected by price increases, because when I paid for it, I paid $850 for it. So this was a handbag that would have been under $1,000, or it was under $1,000 when I purchased it. So I was just like, heck yeah, I want it. And plus, like, I just wanted to treat myself. So yeah, this was one of those, girl, you deserve it, treat yourself type of handbag. So yeah, so that's how I got my hands on this bag. It was nothing but fate. It was divine timing. Like, I was just literally in the right place at the right time, and I got the handbag. And I absolutely love this bag. And I love this bag because of the size. The PM size is the perfect size. It's the perfect date night clutch. It's the perfect everyday handbag. Honestly, you can use this every day. So I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I'm really excited. So I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this handbag and the versatility of this handbag, because this handbag is super versatile. So this is what the handbag looks like. You've seen this handbag in numerous videos of mine. You've seen this handbag in my 2021 Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene collection handbag video. You've seen this in my Louis Vuitton my 2020 Louis Vuitton handbag collection video. I talked about this bag and I love this bag. So in my last video, I equated this bag to the pochette accessoire, because in size and functionality it pretty much does the same thing. But instead of a zip up bag, this bag is a flat bag. So you open up the bag and it's just one main compartment and a back pocket. I don't usually ever use the back pocket, but if I do, I put like parking garage tickets in there, little like things you don't want to get lost in the bag. It's kind of hard to like lose things in the bag because it's just a one main compartment. I love this bag. And this is what the back looks like. You know, simple, no back pocket. It's a very simple handbag, but it is so versatile. Like, when I say it's absolutely versatile, it is. So This handbag can be worn just like this. Clutch, you know, keep it in your hands, put it underneath your arm, wear it as such. Or you can take the gold chain that is on the handbag. So the gold chain cannot be removed, but you can detach one side because it comes with this hook. You can detach the gold chain like this, and you can tuck it inside the bag if you want to hide it. Or you can take this loop or this end of the chain. You can take this end of the chain and attach it to the loop, and you can wear it as a wristlet. So this event as a wristlet and just carry it as a clutch just like this. I love this bag. Then if you don't want to wear it as a wristlet, you can take off the gold chain and attach it to the other ring that's on the other side of the bag and wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it on your shoulder like such. You can wear it on your shoulder just like that. So then now you have a shoulder bag with a gold chain. Now, if you don't want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can drape the gold chain in the front of the bag just like you would the multi-pochette. And then you have the leather strap that comes with the bag. This leather strap is not adjustable, and you can remove the leather strap if you want. But I don't ever remove my strap just because I like, if I wanted to wear it crossbody or make it a longer shoulder strap, I have that option. And I just don't want to like constantly pull and tug on my strap and like damage it. So to make it a longer bag or crossbody, a longer shoulder strap bag or a crossbody bag, you just take the other end of the leather strap and attach it to the loop, and now you have a full crossbody bag or a shoulder strap bag, or a longer shoulder strap bag. But just keep in mind the strap is not adjustable. Now the favorite does come in two sizes. It comes in PM, which is this size, and it also comes in MM, which is a little bit larger than this. It also comes in monogram canvas along with damier ebene canvas along with damier azur canvas. So unfortunately, the con to this bag is that it is no longer available on the Louis Vuitton website. You have to buy this bag pre-loved, and I really wish Louis Vuitton could bring this bag back. If you guys are watching me, please bring this bag back. I really love this handbag, and I highly recommend you buy this pre-loved. Like, I don't think this bag will ever go out of style. It is so versatile. It can be worn every day. You can dress this up, you can dress this down. I really feel like this is a really great investment piece. Like, if you wanted to get your foot into Louis Vuitton but you didn't want to commit to a Speedy, you didn't want to commit to a Neverfull, and you were, I say buy this bag, buy it pre-loved. You won't regret it. It fits a ton, especially the MM. If you go on YouTube and you watch videos of ladies with this handbag and they have it in the size MM, like, it fits a ton of things, and you won't regret it. Even the PM fits a good amount of things. This is a great universal bag, like a great first Louis Vuitton bag. I highly recommend it. Go for it. Like, if you can get this bag, get this bag. It's so great. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that I carry inside of my bag, carry inside of here when I do carry this bag. Right now I am currently carrying my Coach Cassie 19, and some of the essential items that I have in here are things that I would carry inside of my favorite. And so let's just open her up. So again, this is what the inside looks like. Beautiful red interior, back pocket, main compartment. So yeah, so I'm gonna put in the mini pochette. This is my first. I've had my favorite longer than I've had my mini pochette. Don't know if the mini pochette fits in here. We're gonna find out together. So we're just gonna drop that right in there. So as you can see, the mini pochette does fit We're gonna put our iPhone in here. I have the iPhone 10 with the case. This is a regular size iPhone 10, no plus, no anything. So iPhone 10. Oh, and that fits perfectly in there. Then we have our card holder, or my card holder, because you don't go anywhere without your license or money. So we're just gonna insert that. So it's getting like a tight little squeeze in here because of the mini pochette, but everything fits in here just fine. And we are gonna insert our hand sanitizer. And the hand sanitizer fits right in there. And I forgot to show you guys, in the mini pochette, I just have miscellaneous things that usually floats around your purse, like gum, lip balm, Neutrogena face wipe. I have some perfume at the bottom. So yeah, so that all fits snug right inside my favorite. And keep in mind, this is the smaller size of the favorite. So this is the favorite PM, and all of this fits inside. Imagine if you had the favorite MM. You can fit so much more inside the favorite MM, and this is just the PM. So we're gonna close this bad boy up, and look, it closes perfectly, and it lays flat up against your body on the back. There's like no bulging. Like, the favorites is like literally my favorite. Like, I cannot rave about this bag. Like, when I say you should buy this pre-loved, like, trust me, you will not regret it. I honestly want to get the monogram. You guys are probably like, you have enough monogram. Like, I literally want to get the monogram MM size off the pre-loved market. Like, I've been stalking it on the pre-loved market. Like, I am serious about my favorites. And you know, I'm not the type of person that's like, oh, you already have one of this bag, don't get a repeat. I am a repeat offender, and I can go to rehab for it. Like, yes, my name is Fatima Smith, and I love buying repeat bags. I am a repeat offender, and I'm not ashamed of it, and especially if it's a bag that I really like. And so yeah, so if you don't have a mini pochette, you know, you can like fit a lot more in here, but look at that, all in the Damier Ebene favorite PM. I absolutely love this bag. It's a great crossbody bag. It's not too big. Also, I wanted to point out, even though the strap is pretty thin, it's a pretty comfortable strap. I'm not gonna lie, especially if you wear your bag crossbody. What I do like about the Damier Ebene canvas is that it is a more carefree canvas, and it's a more carefree bag. You don't have to worry about vachetta. When it comes to the Damier Azur and the monogram, a favorite, the strap is vachetta. Just keep that in mind. So if you're the type of person that wants to be carefree and not really think twice about water stains or like the strap getting patinaed so soon, then get Damier Ebene and get the treated leather. But I love this bag. It has held up. I've had this bag for like 3 years, and it still practically looks brand spanking new, and I just cannot get enough of this bag. And obviously you can tell by the way I'm talking about it and how much I love it. But yes, this is the favorite and Damier Ebene PM. And if you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. Also don't forget about the giveaway. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I love you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.